has very strictly defined procedures. I get messages all day, every day. Ikulong mo na yan. Alam naman natin kung sino sila. Ikulong mo na. Kunin mo lahat ng pera nila. Pagbenta mo na yung mga bahay nila, ibalik sa ano. What would then I be accused of if we did that? Secondly, if basta-basta lang tayo nasasabi hindi maganda ebidensya, basta kasuhan mo na. Kung nanalo, kung maakwit, dahil hindi maganda ang pagkahanda ng kaso, technicality. Nagka-technicality. Can you imagine these people who have stolen billions from the government and from the people, nakawala dahil hindi maganda ang pagka-handle ng ebidensya? That would be much worse result. So, due process must be observed. We must make sure na alam naman talaga natin kung sino sila. Kaya tiyakin natin na makukulong talaga sila. At ang kanilang mga ninakaw ay ibalik sa gobyerno, ibalik sa tao. But yung nagmamadali, yung hindi maaari yan. Hindi delikado tayo. Kaya natin sabihin ko sa pulis, dakipin nyo na yan. Basta ikulong nyo, bahala na. Anong mangyayari doon? Sira yung kaso natin, and you cannot charge them again. There is that principle of double jeopardy in the law. So, what is more important? That we just file cases. Basta sige lang. Remember, nobody has gone to court yet. There's no conviction yet. And the court, marami pang, what is the process? Pagka binigyan yung may complainant sa ombudsman, sa DOJ, may preliminary investigation pa. Magbubuo ng investigasyon. Kailangan matibay-tibay yung ebidensya. Kasi kung hindi matibay yung ebidensya, makakawala yung, maakwit yun. Kaya tiyakin natin na matibay yung ebidensya. Hindi madaling gawin yun. Dahil yung iba, yung mga witness, yung ating mga resource person, hindi nagsasabi ng totoo, may mga tinatago, etc., etc. Kailangan ma-extract yun sa kanila, yung impormasyon na yun, para gawing ebidensya, para madala sa kung saan man, sa sandigan, sa ombudsman, eto na yung kaso. At malalaman natin na tiyak na makita natin na yung talagang alam natin na gumawa ng katiwalian, na nagnakaw talaga sa gobyerno, ay magbabayad. And magbabayad they will pay for it with their liberty, and they will pay for it with treasure that they have taken away from government. I think it's more important that we get one chance at this. Isa lang ang chance natin. We cannot waste that opportunity to bring justice to those people, to bring those people to justice, and to bring justice to the Filipino people. So, do you want to get it done quickly, or do you want to get it done right? That's the choice that we have. So, I understand the frustration because we do have a very good idea about who these people are. But you have to take them to court. You have to present evidence. They have to be convicted. And as I'm sure anyone who has been involved in any kind of legal proceeding, we are all very frustrated, especially non-lawyers, are very frustrated by how long it takes. Ang sagot naman ng mga abogado sa atin is that may kasabihan sa kanila, the law grinds very slowly, but it grinds very well. So we're counting on that.